In the grand scheme of things, microgreens are like the tiny, but mighty superheroes of the culinary world. Picture this: a compact yet vibrant garden sprouting with potential right on your countertop. With just a few trays, some soil, seeds, and a sprinkle of TLC, you can cultivate a miniature jungle of nutritious goodness. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. For your microgreen empire, you'll want to invest in multiple trays to maximize your yield per square inch. Aim for at least a dozen trays per track, but hey, why stop there? The sky's the limit when it comes to growing your green kingdom. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: The Ultimate Guide to Growing Microgreens. From Seed to Harvest Introduction. Microgreens have taken the culinary world by storm, offering a burst of flavor, nutrition, and vibrancy to any dish. These miniature greens pack a punch, delivering concentrated nutrients and intense flavors in a tiny package. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of growing microgreens from seed to harvest. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey of cultivation and culinary delight. Step 1. Selecting seeds. Begin your microgreen journey by selecting high-quality seeds from a reputable supplier. Choose a variety of seeds, such as broccoli, radish, kale, arugula, and mustard, to create a diverse and flavorful mix of microgreens. Step 2. Choosing growing medium. Next, choose a growing medium suitable for microgreens. Options include soil, coconut coir, peat moss, or hydroponic mats. Ensure the medium is well-draining and free from contaminants to promote healthy growth. Step 3. Preparing trays or containers. Prepare your trays or containers for planting by ensuring they are clean and sanitized. Use shallow trays or containers with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and promote airflow. Step 4. Planting seeds. Spread a thin, even layer of pre-moistened growing medium in your trays or containers. Scatter the seeds evenly across the surface, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Lightly press the seeds into the medium to ensure good soil contact. Step 5. Watering and covering. Water the seeds gently using a spray bottle or watering can with a fine mist setting. Cover the trays with a clear lid or plastic wrap to create a greenhouse effect and retain moisture. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Step 6. Providing light. Place the trays in a well-lit area with indirect sunlight or undergrow lights. Microgreens require ample light to photosynthesize and grow. Rotate the trays regularly to ensure even exposure to light. Step 7. Germination. Within a few days, you'll start to see the seeds germinate and tiny seedlings emerge. Continue to monitor moisture levels and provide adequate light to support healthy growth. Step 8. Removing cover. Once the seedlings have developed their first true leaves, typically after 4 to 7 days, remove the cover to allow for better airflow and prevent mold or fungal growth. Continue to water as needed, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Step 9. Thinning and air circulation. If necessary, thin out the seedlings to ensure proper spacing and prevent overcrowding. Good air circulation is essential to prevent disease and promote strong, healthy growth. Consider using a fan to gently circulate air around the plants. Step 10. Fertilizing. Optional. If desired, you can fertilize your microgreens with a diluted organic fertilizer to provide additional nutrients. However, be cautious not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to nutrient imbalances and poor growth. Step 11. Harvesting. Harvest your microgreens when they reach the desired size, typically 1 to 3 inches tall. Use clean scissors or a sharp knife to cut the greens just above the soil line. Rinse the harvested microgreens gently under cool water to remove any soil or debris. Step 12. Storing and enjoying. Store harvested microgreens in a sealed container or plastic bag in the refrigerator for up to a week. Enjoy them fresh in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or as a garnish for your favorite dishes. Conclusion. Growing microgreens at home is a rewarding and straightforward process that allows you to enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich greens year-round. By following these simple steps, you can cultivate a bountiful harvest of delicious microgreens right in your own kitchen. So roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and embark on a delicious journey of microgreen cultivation. Absolutely. In addition to the step-by-step guide on growing microgreens, it's important to highlight the significance of engagement on the video platform. Liking, sharing, and commenting on the video not only show your support and appreciation for the content, but also play a crucial role in increasing its visibility and importance within the YouTube algorithm. 1. Liking. Clicking the thumbs up button on the video signals to YouTube that you enjoyed the content and found it valuable. This action helps boost the video's ranking and makes it more likely to be recommended to other users. 2. Sharing. Sharing the video with your friends, family, and social media networks helps expand its reach and attract new viewers. Each share increases the video's exposure and can lead to more engagement and interaction. 3. Commenting. Leaving a comment on the video not only allows you to share your thoughts, feedback, and questions, but also contributes to the video's overall engagement metrics. Engaging in conversations in the comments section helps foster a sense of community and encourages others to join the discussion. 4. Subscribing. Subscribing to the YouTube channel ensures that you stay updated on future uploads and content from the creator. It also signals to YouTube that you're interested in the channel's content, which can help boost its visibility and attract more subscribers over time. By actively participating in these engagement actions, you play an integral role in supporting the content creator and helping their channel grow. Your likes, shares, comments, and subscriptions contribute to the success and visibility of the video, ultimately helping it reach a wider audience and achieve greater impact. So, don't hesitate to show your support by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to the YouTube channel. Your engagement matters and can make a significant difference in the success of the content you enjoy.